What if you could have an investment property with a high cap rate? In other words, a high return on investment without having high risk. These four properties are low risk, low maintenance, high earning properties located in New Orleans that you definitely should check out. This one is located in the neighborhood of Gentilly Terrace near Franklin Avenue at Gentilly Boulevard, and it is an amazing income producing opportunity. This fourplex has the potential to earn $4,400 a month. It's a great income opportunity, especially compared to the asking price. If you're a fan of Jazz Fest, you'll absolutely love this property located near the fairgrounds and Broad Street. This double is set to earn $3,200 a month in rent, which once again is fabulous for the asking price. Be sure to stay tuned for the fourth property that is a must-see, and I have a lot more information on that one because it is my personal listing. So be sure to stick around for that one before we get to number 4. This is the third property. This one is located uptown, a few blocks from the new Starbucks on Claiborne, and it is a definite must-see. This is a rare find threeplex property set to earn $3,700 a month in rent. Something I've been noticing in this particular pocket of uptown is a lot of the professors at Tulane and Loyola, as they're right now actively looking for places to stay in this particular area, they've been calling me about quite often. Hey investors in New Orleans, let's talk about this income producing multifamily property in Gentilly. In just a second, we're going to go over the details of these numbers, showing how much profit you can expect each year and how much overall with a 5 and 10-year hold. If you want to, pause to read or take a screenshot. In addition to the fantastic condition of this property and location, you have a brand new roof and new central air. This is a low maintenance income producing property. In just a second, we're going to take a look at the entire property, but let's go ahead and look at the numbers I mentioned earlier. The annual cash flow following after you pay your expenses per year is going to be estimated at $12,981. This is with a standard investor mortgage package, so your numbers could rise or fall depending on the type of package you are able to get. If you'd like a referral to a lender, just let me know. Your IRR with a 10-year hold is looking about estimate at 31%. This is well above the average return on an investment. When I checked the trajectory of the market trends, we took the pandemic experience out of this equation because, as we all know, property values were a bit weird during the pandemic. So taking those out, your estimated profit if you held for 5 years unsold would be $115,000, and if you held for 10 years, your estimate is $177,000. These numbers are pretty conservative, so it could actually be much higher, but I wanted to make sure I set realistic expectations for everyone. If you'd like more information on these numbers and how I determined them, feel free to hit me up at the number on the screen. Currently, this property is earning $3,000 a month in rental income, which is what allows you to earn that profit estimate that I showed you on the previous screen. This is also a fantastic opportunity for somebody who wants to own or occupy one of the units with $0 down payment eligible for those folks. If you'd like to get more details on the numbers, or if you want to schedule a tour in person, just text me at the number on the screen and I'll be sure to reach out and get you scheduled. In addition to this property, there are others available on the market. I'd be happy to show you around if Gentilly is not the area that you're currently investing in. So be sure to hit me up to not only look at other properties, but as well as create a real estate plan. But this property right here is a fantastic, no really hesitation needed purchase because it is actively earning profit and can be paying you immediately.